Hello everyone. Today we are working on this caser. It's M26. It's a air compressor and it's no start. It starts but it dies straight away. I didn't record the troubleshooting because I'm very low on time and in a big rush. I just wanted to show you, so if you have something like no start or hard start, the first thing I do when I suspect there is a fuel problem, I just remove the fuel filter, and it's right there. So it's the fuel filter, and just take a clear bottle and pour the content from the fuel filter to the bottle so we can see what's inside. Just give it a little shake so everything comes out. Just leave it for a few moments. I suspect on this one that we have a problem with water in fuel, and you can clearly see that. And now it's the sun is on the way, and you can see it started to, it's some weird color. It's not bright yellow like it's supposed to be, it's some dark orange, and I would say it's water and fuel. We'll leave it for a few minutes and then we will see inside that water will start to separate from the fuel, so water will go on top. I will go and get a new fuel filter and put it back on, and after that I will record whatever will be in this bottle.